The 24-posture simplified Tai Chi Chuan is one of today's most popular Tai Chi forms. It can be performed in only about 6 minutes, and it was compiled by the Chinese Sports Commission back in 1956. A lot of efforts were put into promoting Tai Chi Chuan at that time. The 24-posture Tai Chi Chuan was derived from the traditional Yang-style Tai Chi Chuan long form. Many Tai Chi Chuan masters worked together to simplify and standardize Tai Chi Chuan. So many of the more complicated and repeated movements were deleted from the long form, so it is easier for people to learn and practice. Although this sequence is a simplified version of the long form, and it has been used primarily as a health-promoting exercise, it is still a sequence with martial applications. Because the sequence is based on Yang-style Tai Chi Chuan, the training guidelines and principles of this sequence follow the characteristic flavor of the Yang style. The entire sequence should be performed at an even pace with no abrupt changes in the transition.